His appeals are centered on how doctors diagnosed shaken baby syndrome more than 20 years ago. At the time, investigators took it as evidence of abuse rather than symptoms of something else. Texas passed a groundbreaking law 11 years ago, which allows Roberson to challenge that initial conclusion. But as Matt Howerton reports, it hasn't worked in his favor so far.
There's an innocent man who's at risk of being executed.
Robert Roberson faces execution, and there shouldn't be any doubt surrounding his guilt in his 2-year-old daughter's murder, but there is.
And we're hopeful that someone is going to act and stop this.
That's what one of his attorneys, Jane Pucher, believes. She's from the Innocence Project, speaking to us hours before Roberson's scheduled execution, adding that if jurors in 2003 knew what medical experts did now, they may not have sent Roberson to death row or convicted him at all.
She was very, very sick, and he was trying to get her help.
The year before, Roberson showed up to a hospital just a few hours southeast of Dallas with his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki Curtis. The little girl had been very ill in the days prior.
She had rolled out of bed, and when he woke up a couple hours later, Nikki was not responding, and he rushed her to the hospital.
And back then, doctors jumped to conclusions, Pucher said, to a shaken baby hypothesis.
If a child was brought to a hospital and there wasn't an immediate explanation for what happened to them, there was often an assumption that the child had been shaken.
But now doctors don't make that assumption so quickly, Pucher said. The symptoms of shaken baby syndrome can be the result of something else aside from abuse.
Nikki had been very sick with double pneumonia, with both bacterial and viral pneumonia. That is documented in her lung scans, which show that she had really no ability to breathe at the time that she died. And that's what caused her to collapse. And when children or anybody are experiencing that kind of oxygen deprivation, it results in bleeding in the body. It's not from abuse. It's not from trauma. It's because that's what happens when your body starts to die. And no jury has heard that.
His fight painting a gray picture for an ending that too many say needs to be black and white. In Dallas, I'm Matt Howerton.